A very warm welcome to all our valued customers. We have been waiting for this event at Krishna Jewelers, Pearls and Gems, Jubilee Hills and Kokapet. So before starting the prize announcement event, I, on behalf of my entire family of Krishna Jewelers, Pearls and Gems, would like to thank you for being a part of this, participating in this Mahotsavam and making it a grand success. It's the lovely customers like you who motivate us time and again to do this kind of events, and with your cooperation we are looking forward to do many more events as this. So let's begin with the prize announcement event that we all have been waiting for. We have 3 grand prizes for a part of monthly draw, which is 200 grams gold and 5 kg silver and a 2 lakh worth gift voucher. And we had 4 weekly draws which had iPhone as the prize, and we are already done with 3 iPhones. We are now remaining with 1 iPhone. So to do the honors for the 4th iPhone for this Diwali Mahotsavam, I would like one of our customers to come and please take a coupon for us. Anyone, ma'am?
Done. iPhone का पिक वन
I would like Ms. Rashi Agarwal to announce the iPhone winner for this season.
I'm so thrilled to announce the winner for the iPhone winner. It's Miss Srinivas Sulu.
Srinivas, आप पढ़ लो ना.
Yeah. So thank you for the lovely response. So the winner for iPhone is Mr. Srinivasulu. Congratulations, Mr. Srinivasulu. I hope you win many more iPhones in future from us. So now,
Thank you.
thank you so much. May I have one more customer, please, to pick up a coupon for our monthly draws? Anyone, please? Ma'am, can you come?
हाँ, yeah, please, please.
Please, ma'am.
This is for 2 lakh rupees gift voucher.
Yes. So this is for 2 lakhs rupees gift voucher. This would be the second runner-up, I would say, for the monthly draw.
Mix and take out.
I would like Mr. Milit Agarwal to please come and announce the name of the winner.
Let it be with you. Please come.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's see who got lucky.
Mr. K. Nandan is the winner for the 2 lakh rupee gift voucher.
Congratulations to Mr. K. Nandan for winning 2 lakhs gift voucher, and I wish he win more and more vouchers so that our shopping cart is also full. Thank you so much, Mr. Milit. Can I have one more customer, please, to do the honors to announce our 5 kg silver winner? Anyone, please? Sir, please, you come.
This is for 5 kg silver.
This is for 5 kg silver, so let's see.
Mix and.
Ranjit.
I'll call now Mr. Umesh Agarwal, our Managing Director, to do the honors of announcing the 5 kg silver winner.
We are very thrilled and happy to announce the 5 kg silver winner, Vati Sai Prashant sir. Thank you sir for the participation.
So I congratulate Mr. Pati Sai Prashant for winning 5 kg silver. May his house shine as silver, always bright and shine. Thank you so much, sir. And now, the last but not the least, the biggest 200-gram gold. So for 200 grams gold, I would request one more customer for us to come and do the honors, please. Ma'am, can you please come? Please come, ma'am.
Gold winner. Sir, mix చేసి ఏదైనా ఒక photo.
I'll request Mr. Umesh Agarwal to please come and announce the name of the 200-gram gold winner. And also our founder, Mr. Mukund Lal sir, to accompany with Mr. Umesh Agarwal.
L Prasad. Mr. L Prasad.
Yeah, yes, I am very happy to announce 200 grams gold for Mr. L Prasad sir. Thank you and congratulations Mr. L Prasad sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so the lucky one, Mr. L Prasad, L for lucky, L for L Prasad. Yeah. So congratulations, Mr. L Prasad, for winning the gold, and we are very happy to share this with you. So this was the end of event. We will come up with more such events in future with all your grace and gratitude and your blessings. And congratulations to all the winners. Stay tuned for more such events with just Krishna Jewelers Pearls and Gems located at Jubilee Hills and Kokapet. Thank you so much.
Whoever has come to attend this event, we are giving you silver.
Yeah, and also guys, we are grateful that you all took time and come to see this event or attend this event. So we have a small token